Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the exact property and gathering precise data. Once done, open the coverage and enhancements reports to see the specific error types. Check whether the issue is an index, crawl, or structured data problem, and note first reported dates. Make sure to download a CSV of affected URLs and copy the exact error text. This saves time during fixes. While collecting data, keep the sitemap and robots, TXT in view, so you can immediately cross-check blocking or sitemap omissions. You now replicate each error with the URL inspection tool to see live crawl details. Once you know the cause, edit the source, adjust meta robots, fix canonical tags, correct structured data syntax, or remove accidental noindex. Make sure server responses return 200 for valid pages and eliminate 4xx/5xx errors by repairing links or restoring content. Update and resubmit the sitemap immediately, and if robots TXT blocked crawling, remove the rule and retest. Keep testing until the inspector shows successful render and indexing allowed. You finish by clicking Validate Fix in Search Console and then monitor the validation status. Expect multiple recrawls over days, so track progress in the coverage report. Make sure to watch traffic and impressions in Google Analytics and Performance to confirm recovery. If validation fails, rerun URL inspection, test mobile and desktop rendering, and inspect server and CDN logs for blocking or throttling. One troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, temporarily create a simple HTML test page without scripts to isolate rendering problems and revalidate that URL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.